Today we'll be discussing the basics of what could be found on any cryptocurrency exchange, as well as introducing you to the candlestick charts. For our purposes, we'll be using Stormgain, but you should find similar features on any cryptocurrency exchange of your choosing. The first thing you'll want to notice is that there should be a graph front and center that displays market data for the currently highlighted asset pair. To that end, there should be a listing of the available assets that you can preview. There's also likely going to be a window for any open trades, though if you're a beginner, you probably don't have any yet. And there should be a place where you can easily see the balances of your various wallets, in this case over on the right. Now, if your graph is by default not full screen, go ahead and make it full screen now so we can dig into the candlesticks. You should now be looking at a basic candlestick chart. It gets its name from the fact that each of the marks on it looks like a candle, and they each represent a discrete unit of time. This can usually be adjusted somewhere in one of the corners, and we currently have ours set to 1 day. Now, the body of each candle represents the opening and closing price during that time period. For a green candle, the bottom is the open and the top is the close, and for a red candle, it's just the opposite. Also note the little lines or wicks coming out of each candle. This represents the high and low for that time period. These numbers can be checked easily at the top next to the OHLC, or open, high, low, and close. Now, when you're looking at a candlestick chart, what you're really looking for are trends. There's 3 basic types of trends. There's an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways trend. Of course, having some clue of when these trends will change is the real trick. For that kind of insight, come join the BeInCrypto trading community on Telegram. There you'll find technical analysis, articles, videos, and access to a community of students and professionals alike. So if you want to go deeper on the topics we just discussed, come check us out. And of course, thanks for watching.